Pokemon Celebrations is no longer in print. What's going on in the market via the sealed products and the single cards. In this video we'll be taking a look exactly at that, so let's get into it. Welcome back guys, we are back today with another video taking a look at the market value for the Celebrations set in regards to what is going on in the market via the US market and also the UK sealed products as well. So we're going to take a look at TCG Player and also eBay to take a look at what we are currently in the state of whether or not it's worth opening up these products or keeping them sealed for the future going forward. So we are going to take a look at this now and see where we are. First of all, we're going over to TCG Player and we're going to look at the Celebrations Elite Trainer box. Now we all know these by now. This is probably one of the best sets that came out last year, which is the holiday set Elite Trainer box for the Pokemon Celebrations. Now as we know, the holiday set for the Pokemon Celebrations, there was no booster boxes. It was all to do with Elite Trainer boxes and collections as well. So we have the normal that comes with the Elite Trainer box, and we're going to take a look and see where the market is currently showing at this present time. So as we can see, the market for this probably started quite low in regards to what we have going forward. Now the reason I can see it keeps going up and down within the last 3 months, so starting off at $63.71 and then moving up to around $69, $68 and moving back down in the March times back down to $65.39. What we can see now though is that this time here we can see that the prices are going up due to the print run of this set is now finished. So there will no longer be any more printing of this set. So finally at this present time, with the last 3 months, it has now gone back up to £76.20, which is quite a lot for an Elite Trainer box. If you can get these for anything under that, then I'd certainly suggest buying this and keeping it sealed. As we know from previous collections for 25th anniversary, going back to the 20th anniversary, the prices of these sets have certainly gone up and they will keep on rising. So if you do get a chance to invest in one of these to keep it sealed as part of your collection, certainly take that forward and put that into collection. I will be looking at buying one of these. I haven't actually got any yet. I'm a bit slow on the uptake on this. When it came through last year, there was a bit of a stall in regards to what the products you can get to start off with. Then it went everywhere and now there's no further printing of this as it stands at the moment. That can always change as we know, but as it presently stands, that is staying as it is. So now we're going to take a look at the eBay selling list, see what they're currently selling for in the UK. Okay, so we're back on to eBay now. So I'm going to go through the last couple of listings and see what has been sold recently on eBay. So we can see here in the UK, it's sort of going around about the £55 to the £58 market in regards to what's coming through, which is on the 8th of May and the 7th of May, which I think is actually not a bad price at this present time. There are some, you can see here on the 7th of May as well, going for around about £64.99, which I think is a bit on the high side. The reason for that, we'll get into that in just a moment, because we can see that there are other products that may be better to invest into for the same sort of price. So again, here on the 6th of May, we've got £64.99. Again, here on the 6th of May, £64.99. So the average, I'd say, is £60 to £65. If you can get it under the £60, definitely go into that and purchase that. Keep it into your seal collection. I don't think it's worth opening at this present time. I am going to do a video on one of the products recently that has been available for us to buy, so I will look into doing a video on that, so do watch out for that. So for the Elite Trainer box, I would certainly say purchase it if you do get it under the say from the TCG Player side of it. If you can get it under the $70 mark or the £60 mark, then do go ahead. We're going to look at the next product for this set, which is the Pokemon Center Elite Trainer box. And the reason I want to look into this one is because it is quite good value at the moment in the United Kingdom. I'm not sure what it is like in the USA, if it is still available, but this is the Pokémon Center Elite Trainer Box. So you get 3 extra packs. You get 13 Celebrations 4 card booster packs, 6 additional Pokémon TCG packs. You get the standard and what you get in regards to the card, energy cards, player guide, and things like that as well, but it's just the little bit extras that you get there. So the reason why I say this may be the better option for you is because it's in the UK. This is going forward. If you look on the Pokemon Center UK website, you can still buy these at this present time for about £65, I believe. I will take a look into that now. Okay, so yes, we've got this up now on the Pokemon Center. It is still available. So as you can see, it's £64.99. Now, if you take this into effect in regards to the previous one we looked at, just the normal Elite Trainer box, you can see that it was going for between £60 to £65. So for the extra £5, or even in some cases the same amount of price, you might as well buy this from the Pokemon Center and get that extra amount as well. And honestly, I think this looks better than what the other one does look like, and I think I will definitely be opening this on the channel. So I'll be looking hopefully in the next week or two to open this product to see if we can still make a profit, or what sort of hauls we do get into the set, as I've not opened one yet. But UK wise, this is the one I'll take over the normal Elite Trainer box. In regards to the United States, I will take a look into that as well. So on TCG Player, we see that it is currently going for around $105, roughly in regards to that. That is quite a big gap between 75 to 100. So it could mean that there's not actually any of these available in the USA at the moment in regards to the Pokemon Center website. So I would certainly look to, if you can get both, go for that. But the difference between the $25 wise, there's not much of a gap between that in regards to value for money. There's not a big gap between the values for money for that. So it probably would be, in this case, better to go for the normal Elite Trainer box. But in the UK, we have the opportunity at the moment still to be able to buy this for the normal £65, and that will be what I am doing going forward. Okay, so the next product we're going to be looking into is the infamous Celebrations Ultra Premium Collection. This is the hot topic for this set. This is the thing that has been looked after for so many people. I had no chance of getting this. I think it was going for around about £150 to £200 regularly to be able to buy this normally in shops like Game. I think Magic Madhouse was doing it at some points as well. As we can see by this graph on TCG Player, it is going from $286 all the way up to $374.97. Has dipped a little bit, so it is staying at the $366.25 at this present time. This is going to be a very hard product to buy. If it's myself at the moment, I would not be investing in this because it's so much money to look into. Unfortunately, we missed the train on that, and I don't think they're going to be making any more. As we say, the print run for this set is gone. This is going to be up there for many years going forward, and unfortunately a lot of people are keeping this sealed as well, so they're not going to be selling this on. If you can get it for under the $300 mark, then maybe it might be worth looking into from that side of it, but myself, I would say to leave this one be if you haven't got one already. Okay, so going on to eBay now, as we can see, we have a couple that have gone through in the last couple of days here. So the last one that we've got here was on the 8th of May. Actually, this is an Australian posting. So £281.13 and the $14.37 postage, but looks like it's bought in the UK but from Australia. And then you've also then got two here for £595.99, so roughly about £300 each. Again here, £300 on the 7th sold there, £290, £329, £319, So I'd say the average is about £300. So it actually has gone down a little bit from what I could see from previous. There had been some that I've seen that are going for about £350. When they first originally come out, it was around about £500 that some people were selling them for. These I don't think will ever go down past any further than £250 to £300. Unfortunately, as I say, they're now no longer available. For myself, I wish I was able to get this. It's such a good set. Some of the cards that you get in this is so good. Unfortunately, missed out. When I did go to the shop, i.e. Game, they had sold out literally 5 minutes before I'd even got there. So, pretty disappointed, really. With this set, I'd give it a miss myself in regards to the premium collection box, unless they do miraculously have some more available for us to buy. Fortunate, because it is such a good collection, and this is why it's now going up in price. So they are the main the main sets for main collections for this set that I would look into. If you can get any of the other ones, maybe the best one to look into is maybe the Pikachu sets. They are very good at the moment. So we've got things like this. We have the Celebrations collection of Pikachu V Union. That's actually pretty affordable. Some of the other things are still very affordable. I myself are going to get this. I haven't bought too much of it because I missed the train, unfortunately. Once I was not recording, or my local area just didn't have it available. Now these are coming available, and I do collect the Pikachu cards, so I will be looking into this. And also it does come in with a playmat as well, which is so good to look into. Also, you have the Charizard sets, you have the Sylveon sets as well, that are going to be looking to be able to get hold of. Again, they are still quite RRP at the moment, so if you haven't got them and you want to keep them in the collection, they are very much worth going for. Now, looking at the cards themselves, looking to see what prices they're showing at compared to the products that you need to open to actually be able to pull these. We're going to see what they are currently going for, like the big three maybe in regards to this, and some of the gold cards that come with the premium collection box, and see if it's actually worth opening it or what we can do going forward. So of course, the main attraction of this set to be able to pull from the actual packs, of course, is that reprint of the base Charizard. So we can see originally in the last 3 months it started at about $84. It's going down. It's gone down quite a lot. At one point it went down to $72, which is quite a big little swing there. And then it went back up to $79/$80, and now it's gone back down to $76. So that's the problem with these sets. I feel like the sealed collection is going up in price, but the cards themselves are either stable or they're going down in price. So unless you pull one of the big cards from the sets, out of the 10 to 13 cards that you may get from the Elite Trainer boxes, you're not going to be making your money from when you do open this. So that's the first card. I love this card so much. We'll take a look to see what it looks like in English in regards to eBay. So let's take a look at that now. Okay, so yes, we're now back with eBay solds. We're going to look at a couple of these at the same time, i.e. the gold card and also the regular Charizard here. So we've got the first of all actually is a PSA 10, which is a good indication of this as well. It was sold for £330 in a PSA 10 on the 8th of May. That's not too bad actually. I didn't think it was going for as much as that. I thought it was about 200, maybe 250. So really, that's not a bad price at all. You've got a near mint 8.5. Is that CGC? I believe. I've not really used that company myself. That's £104. These are quite hard to actually grade. If I was myself, I probably would keep it in its little case because of the metal and the material that it is. It does seem to chip, or it doesn't seem to be aligned too well. What else we've got here? So we've got another 10 here on the 8th of May in that PSA 10. £320 again, run at the same sort of amount there. We've got the actual Charizard gold that comes with that premium collection box, £82, sold on the 8th of May as well. Again here, the holo for the Charizard, £74. That was on the 8th of May. So these are pretty recent in regards to these. We've got another PGS Mint 9, 142.22. So these sort of companies won't hold its value, I believe, because they're just not that well known. If you are going to have this graded or buy a graded version of this, go for that PSA or Beckett, because they are going to hold their value the most. What else we got here? So the next big card for the set is got to be the Golden Mew. So this is the secret rare from the main set itself. It's not the gallery cards afterwards there. So this is part of the main set. As we can see, it's currently going for about $45.95. I think this is one of the best cards in the set. I love this card so much. It's such a good looking card. This is what they should look like in the sets going forward. When you've got that blue Mew and the gold background, I love it. It's so good. So from the month starting off, we have on the 2nd of August to February the 8th to the 10th, starting off at $44. It's not really moved around too much, really. So it's seems like it's up and down, but it's only moving between 44 to a higher 49 and then back down to 41 at the moment there. So near mint Holovault is going for about that $45, $46 at this present time. Okay, and looking on to eBay for this card, we've got sold recently of £43, £48.99. Also there on the 7th of May, £43. It's going to be between £40 to £45. If I'm honest, if you can get it for the £40, it's worth it. I think it's so good. This set has so many cards in there that are good to get, but the value are just going down a little bit for some of the other ones. The ones that are holding the value is that Charizard and this Mew. There's not really much else apart from maybe the Umbreon or even the shiny Magikarp. Again, they are going down in price from this side of it. I think these two are going to be the ones that would be worth going for. So that is the market update in regards to Celebrations. Let me know what you think of the set itself. Are you going to be investing into this? What's your favourite card? If you like the video as well, let me know what you think of it. Also, give us a like and subscribe as well. We are on the road to 500 subscribers, so your support would be amazing. And yeah, for me, I'm going to invest in it, but not open it too much because it's just going up in price with the cards themselves not holding that value as much. So let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.